everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today you guys, I am participating in a challenge that is being hosted by my beautiful and talented sisters of Heaven's Pearls. They have asked that we create or decorate a tablescape, coffee table, or any other area in our home that we choose to, using the colors blue, white, or silver. You could use one or all three, or a combination of. Now, the spirit for this collaboration is self-control, and they've asked that we share how we plan or what we need to work on this year, brand new year, in regards to self-control. So you guys stick around, enjoy this video, as I will leave more information regarding Heaven's Pearls, the playlist link, and my self-control, or the thing of my life that I will be working on. So enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by. As I share with you guys the area of my life that I need to create and develop more self-control over, please enjoy this video as I share with you my content of tablescape, as well as the other information that was requested by the group. Thank you. Okay, you guys, we're going to start right here in the center as we share these beautiful iced branches, crystals, ice, beautiful. I just love the way this looks, you guys. And then we go to this beautiful vase. You guys have seen this vase before. It's the frosted glass. Absolutely gorgeous. And what I've done here is added this beautiful silver brooch here with the pearls. So guys, what you see here in this center is this beautiful strand of silver beaded and glass garland that I have laid upon this beautiful faux fur white runner. And then I just embellished it with these blue midnight blue baubles just to coordinate everything in there together. And as you look next to it, you will see this little this is actually the top that goes to the picture that is housing those beautiful roses. And then you see I've added the strand of pearls that is protruding from the top of the picture. Absolutely gorgeous. I am super excited as to how all this has come together. I hope you guys will enjoy this as much as I enjoyed creating it. So here you guys at my place settings. Blue and this white the side seating are all the same. The heads are just a tad bit different. Greenery, and you see this beautiful midnight blue charger plate. Is it not gorgeous? You guys let me know what you think about this. I love it. I just love how it looks, especially against this beautiful blue and white plate here. And then I have also one of those little salad plates that are the clear from the Dollar General with this white napkin and the blue and white napkin ring. And you see here, guys, I'm going to share this with you and let you just get a closer look of this plate. Now, this plate I picked up from the vintage shop here in town. I think I paid $6 for each plate. I thought this was a great buy. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that charger. Beautiful. My flatware, I am using the black flatware here. And then you see my wine glasses here with the little blue and white coffee mug. Now this coffee mug I picked up a while back from, I think it was Big Lots, and I think they were like $1.99 for each mug. Now the heads of the table, they are the same. We have this blue and white napkin ring with the white napkin that has the snowflakes. Then we have this midnight blue salad plate. And then we're going to use this clear dinner plate from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that beautiful? And then we changed out our charger plates and went with the white scallop look charger plate here. And it's just a matter of layering it all together to get that desired look that you're looking for. And you see I have those little candlesticks with the tea light candle holders with the ambiance of that beautiful ray from the candles. And then I just drape the pearls through the table here. Absolutely gorgeous. And you guys know I love a good centerpiece. Give me the centerpiece and just have everything else very basic on the table. I am extremely good and satisfied with that. Alright, you guys, again, this challenge is a part of the group Heaven's Pearls, and the fruit of the spirit that we are covering this month is self-control. The title for this video is the Winter Icy Decor Collab, and we were to decorate a tablescape, a coffee table, or another area of our home using the colors white, blue, and silver. All three, just one or combination of. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed what I'm sharing with you today. I will leave the information for Heaven's Pearls, all of its members, in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. Now, if you are new to my channel and you have enjoyed what I have shared with you today, now would be a great time for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then the notification bell, just press it twice. Therefore, you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload made here. Now, if you're already a subscriber, then you guys know that I love and appreciate you. I thank you so much for your support, and I pray that we all will continue to be blessed as this year continues in 2021. I guess we all can work on some self-control. My area of need
melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼.
Hey you guys, thank you all so much for stopping by. A special thanks to Heaven's Pearls and all of its members. Thank you guys so much. This has truly been a blessing, and I have really enjoyed this collaboration. And the members are as follows. We have DIY Designs by CCW, that is Miss Candy. The Glam Queen of DIY, that is Tammy. Love is the Main Key, Miss Eryka. Levels of Style with Sandra. Jazigreen Style, Miss Liz. Styling with Stacy. Debby Bubbles, and D of Designers Loft. Thank you, ladies, for hosting this collaboration. I pray that we all can work on whatever it is that we need to work on and continue to be blessed and grow.